Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Becky Sechere. For those who already know me and those who are just discovering my video, I'm a nurse in the UK and I've been working here for a while, and I like to share advice, tips and anything that can help nurses from overseas in the UK or those planning to come, and carers and senior carers as well. So today's video I'm going to be talking about how to build a credit history or credit score in the UK. I remember those days when I came, I didn't even know what credit score or credit history was all about. So if you want to know more as to how you can build a good credit history or credit score in the UK, then I think you need to watch the video to the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becky Sechere. If this is the first time you have come across my video, thank you for coming here. It's no mistake. So remember to like, subscribe and share. And for those of you who have been my subscribers from the beginning, thank you so much. So today, as I said in the introduction, the topic is about how to build a credit history in the UK. This is very important. If you're new to UK as a carer, as a nurse, or anyone new to the UK, it is very important for you to start thinking of how to build a good credit history. I have been asked by a friend to create this video to help some of the new staff that are coming from overseas. When I arrived in 2003, I had no idea. So I meant 2003. I had no idea what credit score was all about. I've never heard of credit scoring. And I remember when I went, so I was in Kent at the time, and I went to open a bank account for the first time, and the bank was offering me a credit card and current account, and I thought, I don't want credit card, I don't want any of those things. So I was given a basic bank account. A few months later, when I came to Leicester and I went to open a bank account, I got declined several times to get a current account. And I thought, why is that? And I was told, oh, there was something about my credit score or my credit history. And I thought, since I came to this country, I had not taken any credit, I had not taken any card, I'm not owing anybody, so why? Looking back, I believe whether there was something about the address that I had lived out before. I don't know. I'm just speculating or thinking. But anyway, as the years went by, things changed. So that was my personal experience. Anyway, why is it important to have a good credit history or a good credit score when you come to the UK? So in order to borrow money in the UK, in order to get a loan, in order to get a credit card, in order to even get a contract phone, or mortgage. I know when you arrive, you can't get a mortgage straight away, but as time goes on, you might consider getting a mortgage. But all the basic things, credits that you would want. If you are going to apply for any credit or from any lender, they want to know whether you are credit worthy. I know if you haven't started from somewhere, how would you get there? But oh well, they expect you to have a good credit history or credit score, or should be credit worthy. So how do you start building your credit history? So the first thing is to open a bank account. So when you open a bank account and you get yourself a current bank account, you can set up some direct debits on your bank account so you can manage your account effectively by actually putting as I said, setting up some direct debits so that you would pay some bills out of your account. So it could be your rent, it could be gas, electricity or council tax bill. You set that up and you manage it effectively, and just making sure that you do not miss any payment, because late payments will go against you. It would start messing up your credit history. There are things that can stop you from getting a credit. One of them is lenders would want to know whether you are on the electoral register. Because if you're on the electoral register, it helps them. So they register to vote in the UK. The lenders would be able to confirm your address, and they would know that you are actually legitimately living in the UK. And how do you get yourself onto the electoral register? In the UK, to get on the register, you must be 18 years of age. You must be a UK or British or an Irish or a qualifying Commonwealth citizen. So like me, I'm from Ghana. Ghana is in a Commonwealth. If you're from Nigeria, Nigeria is in a Commonwealth. So all the countries that are in a Commonwealth, if you're eligible, yes, you can apply, and you're living in the UK in a UK address, residential address, yes, you can register to vote. All you need to do is check on the government website, especially in your local area, and you just fill in the forms on the internet or on the computer, and search on Google for that, how to register on the electoral register wherever you are living, and you will be able to do that. You might need your national insurance number in order to register. Sometimes you can do without it, so that is one thing. Financial ties with other people can also affect you, so you have to be careful. If you have a joint credit or joint loan or joint mortgage or joint account or joint anything with anybody, if that person for some reason has or gets a bad credit history or score, that will automatically affect you because you're linked with that person. So you have to make sure that if you're having any joint account or joint loan or anything credit with anybody, that person keeps up with their payments and they haven't got any bad credit history. So that if your type of credit score that you have, or the type of credit score or history that you have, can affect your borrowing. It would affect the amount of credit you get from a borrower. It can actually have influence on the rate of payments that you get. It can actually also affect the amount of money you borrow. So it's important to take that into consideration. Taking a credit and keeping up with your repayments can actually improve your credit score. All they want to know is you are able to take the credit and you are able to keep up with the repayment. It is important as well. Bear in mind, if you apply for the first credit product and you have been rejected because your credit score is not great, do not apply for another one straight away. Give yourself some time, because multiple applications can actually affect you. When applying for a credit product, you'll be required as well. So when you go to apply for a loan, mortgage or anything, they want to know your employer's details. You have to get that ready. They want to have your bank details. They want to know about your monthly outgoings, incoming and outgoings, and your annual income, and how you spend your money and credit commitments and all that. So you might need to produce those information. Now, in order to increase your credit score or credit history, some of the things, just to recap, you would need to do would be: 1, register and be able to vote. So if you're eligible, get yourself onto the electoral roll or voting register. It's very important. Make sure you pay your bills on time. That's very important. Avoid multiple applications. As I said, if you get rejected the first time, just make sure you give yourself some time before you reapply again. and be careful with joint loans or credits or anything of that sort. I hope this video has been helpful. As I said, if you're new to the UK, there are a lot of things that most of us do not know. And as you know now, there's YouTube. You can learn everything. You can, get anything you want on YouTube. So keep watching and keep watching my video. You get a lot of things. You learn a lot on this channel. And I hope this has been helpful. Remember, don't keep it to yourself. Share, comment. If you have any question you want to ask, feel free to drop that in the comment section, and I will try my best to get back to you. Most often when I'm at work, I do not answer messages. So Monday to Friday between 9 and 5, I do not reply. Weekends, yes, I do. And after work in the evenings, I do reply as well. So if you've sent me a comment or message and I haven't replied during the working days, it's not because I'm ignoring you. It's just because I'm at work and I'm busy and it's not time to go on YouTube and be replying. Anyway, I hope you have a good day and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.